screw in. So you gently tighten them. You don't want to over tighten them because it's glass. Remember, it's tempered glass. You don't want to over tighten because you don't want the glass to crack. Plus, you don't have to tighten it all the way, so as long as it's snug, you shouldn't have a problem. It'll hold. Okay. So that's about it. I'm going to turn it on its side. And so this is the Spec Omega RGB case by Corsair, and I must say it's a nice case for anyone that's interested. You know, you can go ahead and check it out on newegg.com. Okay, until next time.